ordinary materials can create something extraordinary. Look at this tool, built entirely from raw metal pipes and a little welding skill. No expensive machines, no costly parts. Just imagination, effort, and the power of human hands. This is a clamp, strong, reliable, and incredibly useful. Whether you're fixing something at home, working in a small workshop, or holding parts steady during repairs, this tool is your partner. What was once just scrap metal pipe has now been transformed into a practical invention. Low cost, yet high value. Simple in design, yet powerful in purpose. This is more than a tool. It's proof that innovation doesn't always require money. It requires vision. It shows us that strength lies not in luxury, but in creativity and skill. So next time you see a discarded piece of metal, remember, inside it there might be the spark of a new invention, waiting to change the way we work, the way we live, and the way we think.